In this video, you will learn that how to add CR2032 cell or battery to the Proteus. So for that, you must have the external library, and you can download the library from the link provided in the description. Download this folder, and let's first check whether the cell is available in your Proteus or not. So from here, select the component mode, and then from here, search for the CR2032. So here you can see that this cell or battery is not available in your Proteus. So you have to add it as an external library. So for that, download this folder from the link provided in the description. Then right click on it, open it, and now select both the files and then copy both the files. Now from here, search for your Proteus, and here right click on your Proteus for icon. Now click on open file location. This is the Proteus 7 bin folder. Go one step back to the Proteus 7 main folder. Click on this. If you are using Proteus 8, so you have to go to the Proteus 8 main folder, and there you have to search or find the library folder, open it, and now paste both the files that we have copied from the library folder. So paste both these. So here you can see the CR2032 files are added in the library folder of the Proteus 7. So now close this Proteus file, and now reopen the Proteus file from here. And after reopening, it will be added in the libraries of the Proteus. So from here, search for the CR2030. The name of this is 2032, sorry. So here you can see 3 cells are added in the Proteus library. This is the one module, this is another model, this is another. So let me click on this, and this. And now let me show this in the Proteus. So click here. This is the CR2032. This is the another module, and this is the third model. So here you can see 2 pins, one is positive and the second one is a negative. Same here, one is positive. Here you can see the red one is positive and the black one is the negative. Here you can see the wires as well. This is the positive, this is the negative. This is 3 volt, this is also 3 volt, and this is the 3 volt. So let me show the voltages of these with the help of a voltmeter. So pick the DC voltmeter. Run the simulation, and here you can see 3 volt. Also, if you want to add the DC voltmeter to this as well, so you can check here, connect the DC voltmeter to this as well. Let me zoom it. And here you can see this is 3 volt, this one 3 volt, and this one 3 volt as well. So all these are 3 volts. So this was the method of how to add the CR2032 cells or battery to the Proteus. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to Arduino. Thanks for watching. 2032.